The House Above the Clouds. Episode 1. The Mysterious Road. The morning sun shone brightly over the mountains. Elara drove her small camper van along a narrow road that wound around the cliffs. On one side rose towering walls of gray rock. On the other side was a deep valley filled with forests, rivers, and drifting clouds. The view was breathtaking. Elara loved traveling. She had visited many places, crossed many rivers, and climbed many mountains. Yet she still felt that something was missing. "I wonder where I truly belong," she whispered. The road twisted higher and higher into the mountains. Soon, she noticed something strange. A small lantern hung from a pine tree beside the road. It swayed gently in the wind. Elara slowed her van. "That's odd," she said. "Who would place a lantern all the way up here?" Curious, she parked her camper and stepped outside. The mountain air was cool and fresh. As she walked closer, she discovered a narrow stone path hidden among the trees. The path seemed old, almost forgotten. For a moment, Elara hesitated. Then her curiosity won. She followed the path. Birds sang overhead. Wildflowers bloomed beside the trail. The scent of pine filled the air. After several minutes, the trees opened. Elara stopped in surprise. Before her stood a beautiful cottage on the edge of a cliff. The cottage overlooked an endless valley of green mountains and silver rivers. Clouds drifted below like a white sea. Flower boxes hung beneath every window. Wind chimes danced softly on the porch. It looked like something from a dream. How is this place hidden? Elara wondered. She walked toward the front gate. A wooden sign hung beside it. The words were carved carefully into the wood. "For the traveler who needs rest." Elara read the message twice. A strange feeling filled her heart. The cottage seemed empty. No voices, no footsteps, no smoke from the chimney. Yet somehow it felt alive, as if it had been waiting for someone, waiting for her. The sun began to set behind the mountains. Golden light spilled across the valley. Elara sat on the porch and watched the clouds turn pink and orange. For the first time in many years, she felt peaceful. That night, she decided to stay. The stars sparkled brightly above the mountains. A gentle breeze rustled the flowers. Elara was about to go inside when she noticed something unusual. Far beyond the garden, a single lantern suddenly lit itself. Its golden glow flickered in the darkness. Then another lantern appeared, and another. One by one, lights stretched into the forest, forming a mysterious path through the trees. Elara stared in amazement. "Who lit those lanterns?" she whispered. But no one answered. Only the wind moved through the mountains, and somewhere in the darkness, a shadow quietly watched her.